Hi friends, my name is Sarita and today we'll talk about SAP HANA module. In SAP, HANA stands for High Performance Analytic Appliance. It plays an important role in database management system and it is in memory and column oriented database. SAP HANA is good for big companies database management as it organizes the information and data properly, which is generally big task. SAP HANA is well known for processing the real-time data in very short time, and its function as database server is to retrieve or store data from the application of an organization. It is fully managed, multi-cloud, hybrid deployment and makes it easy for the customer to manage database in the application. It is considered to be a powerful tool for database management as it extracts huge amount of data from system in no time. It is huge in demand as today database is very important part of any organization and SAP HANA is well known for doing it. Career wise also, it's in high demand and lot of MNC hire them. Today, each and every company is shifting into centralized system and data management is one of the important part of any organization. The machine learning, which is advanced technology, is also integrated with SAP HANA for database application. The eligibility criteria to do this certification is you should be from engineering, commerce or science background or master's degree can also apply for it. So think over it as it is really a better career option. If you want to know more about certification in detail, you need to check the syllabus in training.sap.com. It will give you overview about the course and you will be in position to decide if you want to go for it or not. I hope this information was helpful. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon below. Thank you so much.